This machine adopts a hydraulic double-shaft clamping structure with synchronous clamping from both shafts, ensuring even force distribution. Even with the eccentric locks, it achieves stable engagement, effectively reducing core residue and significantly improving wood utilization. The feed system combines a precision lead screw with hydraulic drive, resulting in uniform veneer thickness and a smooth, flat surface, eliminating the need for secondary trimming. The machine is equipped with a PLC control system, allowing for one-button parameter setting and automatic completion of continuous operations from centering and veneer cutting to unloading. Operation is simple, greatly reducing reliance on manual labor. Key components are made of high-strength materials, ensuring durability and suitability for high-end plywood and veneer production lines. It is an ideal veneer cutting machine that balances efficiency and quality.